kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper cup pillayar for Vinayagar Chathurthi. So this is a very easy way of making a paper cup pillayar and it is useful too. So you can use this as a home decor for Vinayagar Chathurthi. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first for this activity, we need to take a paper cup. So you can take any paper cup you'd like. So next step is that you're supposed to take some silver color paper. So you guys can take any color you like, but I'm taking silver. So next, we're supposed to apply some glue on the behind part of the color paper. So I'm applying some glue on it. So after we are done applying glue, we are supposed to stick this paper onto the paper cup. So I'm sticking it like this. So I'm sticking it onto the front part and I'm not sticking it onto the back part. You guys can stick it onto the back part if you like. So after we complete sticking this, I'm just going to cut out a crown from glitter paper. So I already cut this out, you guys can cut it out. So next step is that I'm just going to take some blue circle and I'm just going to stick this onto the glitter paper. So this part is for the crown. So I'm taking the sticker out and I'm sticking this part onto the ground like this. So next step is that we are supposed to take 2 ears for Lord Ganesha. So we have to cut this out, and next step is that we are just supposed to take a black marker and I'm just going to draw 3 lines onto the ears like this. So we have to draw these 3 lines onto the other ear as well like this. So next step is that we are supposed to cut out a trunk for Lord Ganesha like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to stick this part on top of the glitter paper like this. So we are supposed to stick it. So I'm just going to take the sticker out from the glitter paper. So now I'm sticking this on top of the silver paper like this. So now our crown part is ready. So after our crown part is ready, we are supposed to stick these 2 ears onto the glitter paper. So I'm just going to take these 2 ears and I'm just going to fold it a little bit so that it sticks well. So I'm folding it like this and I'm folding it on the opposite side as well. So I'm repeating the same step on the other ear as well. So now we're supposed to stick the ears onto the glitter paper like this. So I'm applying some glue onto the ears like this. Now I'm sticking it onto the paper cup. So we have to repeat the same step and have to stick this ear as well like this. So I'm applying some glue again. And now I'm sticking this onto the other side. So after we complete this, I'm just going to take the trunk. I'm going to fold it a little bit and I'm going to sticking it onto the bottom part. So I'm applying some glue on the trunk. Next, we just have to stick it onto the paper cup like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to take a black marker and I'm just going to draw 2 eyes on the silver paper. So I'm just going to draw 2 eyes. So I'm drawing 2 eyes. So I'm just going to draw 2 circles. You guys can draw eyes in your own way. So I'm just drawing 2 circles and I'm just going to draw 2 eyebrows on top of the two circles like this. So now our paper cup pillayar is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper cup pillayar. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Crafts. Bye.